Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you on an incredible journey to the breathtaking Phi Phi Islands in Thailand. Our adventure began in Malaysia, flying from Kelia to Phuket International Airport, which took about 1.5 hours. Once we landed, we booked a Grab car to reach our hotel in Phuket. Grab and InDrive apps are super handy for transportation since there's no public transport available. If you are comfortable riding scooters, you can also rent one. It's a fun way to get around. Before arriving in Phuket, we booked a full-day Phi Phi Island tour through the Klook app. The package called Phi Phi, Maya and Bamboo Beach Day Tour by Love Andaman. It costed 350 Rm per person. The tour offers two options, with hotel pickup or without hotel pickup. We chose the hotel pickup option. So the next morning we were picked up and transferred to Panwa Pier when we checked in and enjoyed a light breakfast. Before boarding, our guide informed us about the itinerary, safety rules and what to expect during the trip. You can also choose a guide who speaks your preferred language when booking the tour. When we boarded the speedboat, which comes stocked with drinking water and soft drinks for the entire day. Our first destination was Maya Bay, famous for its stunning beauty. Unfortunately, it was closed during our visit, so we could only admire it from the boat. Next, we headed to Pileh Lagoon, one of the highlights of the tour. Here we opted for a private long-tail boat ride for an additional 1,800 Thai baht. For those looking for a shared experience, there's an option for 300 Thai baht per person. The long-tail boat ride was magical. We explored the lagoon, stepped into the serene beach and soaked in the natural beauty. Meanwhile, other travelers enjoy snorkeling near the speedboat as snorkeling wasn't allowed inside the lagoon itself. After Pileh Lagoon, we cruised past Viking Cave and Monkey Bay for some sightseeing. Our guide shared interest in stories and facts about this spot. For lunch, we stopped at Phi Phi Don, where a buffet awaited us. The food was delicious and the stop allowed us to freshen up and capture some stunning drone shots. Important tips: drones are not allowed at most places on their tour as they are part of national park, but Phi Phi Don is an exception. Our last stop was Bamboo Island, a paradise with powder white sands and crystal clear water. We spent about 1.5 hours here relaxing and enjoying the serene atmosphere. After a full day of exploring, we were dropped back at our hotel just as we started in the morning. Reflecting on the entire experience, we absolutely loved it. The tour was well organized, the scenery was stunning, and we had no complaints. If you are planning to a trip to Phi Phi Island, we highly recommend this tour. It's an adventure you won't regret. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more travel stories. Until next time, happy traveling!